Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry, not the first to know there's just no getting over you. You know, I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. Baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm right there, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head is saying, fool, forget it. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end. That's what I intend.